Well, have you ever gone to ignite your stove and it just does not want to turn on? You see the sparks, but nothing's going on there. Well, there's a simple fix for that. And what you're going to want to do is take off the gray here, go to the burner that is not working, and I'm going to take off that cover piece. Now, what you see on the side is a little tiny hole there, which leads to where the igniter is. Now, what I'm going to do is take this little needle here, a sewing kit, stick it through if I can, underneath, right through there, and I'm going to clean out that little dirt that's in there, as such. Now, I will put this back on, and presto, here we go. So, next time you guys clean your stove and it's not working right, just remember, stick a little needle to that little hole so a sparker can ignite the flame. All right, have a good one.